infrastructure needs strength and development, including the foundation. So this is very important, so that houses, buildings, and bridges do not collapse easily. This is how people plant earth ferns as the foundation of a building.
I tripped on my own shoelace, but my spirit's wild, running life's race. Bounce a castle in my mind all day, monsters dancing in the Milky Way. Caught a rainbow, it slipped away, but I smile, white sun's here to stay. Ooh, flip-flop dreams and broken schemes, life's a roller, stay on beam. Laugh at trouble, skip the screams, catch some sunlight in the beams.